welcome to the vlogs. I know I haven't posted in a while. I'm taking pictures for Instagram and videos because I want to get more into video, obviously. It has been a wild couple months, and that's to say the least. I got laid off from work. I have been blogging, but honestly, I was in such a bad mental state. Like, I was concerningly depressed with really bad thoughts inside of my mind that I was like, you know what? No, I cannot share this negativity out and about in the world. So I decided to take a break from the vlogging, from editing, for putting like the pressure of, you know, making the videos and whatnot. So now I'm very excited. As you already saw, I dyed my hair for the first time ever in my life. I'm about to be 27 and I had never touched my hair before. The only thing that I experiment with is haircuts because I love changing my haircut around. But I'm obsessed with my new color. Like, they did me so well. My hairstylist, he said that because my hair was virgin, it's very easy for him to do a good job, basically. But I do have a lot of hair, so it took us 8 hours and a half to dye it. He gave me a little haircut. It was just a trim, honestly. I used to have bangs, but like they grew, and honestly when my hair is curly, the bangs don't bang very well. I don't know how to style curly bangs. So I need to figure that out because I do like bangs. It's just that I don't like styling my hair often. So an easy haircut, check. Pretty color, check. I really like it. Now that I'm seeing it on camera, I'm like, shit, I do look different. New life, check. Verga, no me espacio, huevón. Florida is getting too busy for my liking. Orlando has a lot of traffic overall, like too many cars out and about. Saturday, early morning. I woke up at 7 and we were supposed to start taking pictures at 9. It's about to be 10. We went to a place, it was packed. Now there is a lot of traffic going into this new place that we're going to. I'm hungry and I need to eat. So, more updates for you. Yes, I got laid off. I have been working in corporate for like 6 years, ever since I graduated college, and it was a wild ride. For some reason, I keep choosing companies that lay people off. At least these past 2 years. So it hasn't been fun, I'm not gonna lie to you, because the last company that I was working at, I wasn't there for not even a year, and it was kind of messy how it came to be. Like, nothing wrong on anybody's part, it was just, you know, timing and conversations and things that you find out later. I'll leave it at that because I'm learning to let things go, letting God do his work, and me just letting things go. Like, I hold on to so many things because I want to make them right. Once you let things go, things start flowing how it's supposed to, and once I started doing that, things started coming. So obviously Instagram, thankfully, is doing very well for me. Oh gosh, there is a farmer's market. I love farmers markets. But anyways, putting a lot of effort into the socials. I also got a part-time job at Macy's doing retail. It's no joke. Whoever works on retail needs to get like a badge of honor. Holy cow, that job is hard. I'm not even working 40 hours a week. I used to work 40 hours a week, sitting down in a desk with AC, with chill breaks, with no timing on my lunch, or no timing whatsoever for like coming in and out. Mierda. Retail, it's insane. First off, people are very competitive for no reason because we don't get commission. I don't know where the competition is coming from. They say it's part of the culture, but like, honestly, it's not my vibe. So I'm just like, even though I'm a part-time, they gave me a lot of hours because they don't have enough full-timers, and there is a lot of work to do at the store. I'm supposed to work 20 to 25 and I'm doing like about 35 right now. Brother, it's crazy. An 8-hour shift feels like forever, but also goes by so quickly. I usually eat every 3 hours. I cannot even do that. Now I have to combine my snacks. I have to like plan around my schedule that changes every week. I don't know when I'm off and when I'm not. So like, I don't even have a steady routine, which I used to have before. Vergación, like, it is so hard. And honestly, I'm not gonna lie, I took it because I thought it was gonna be an easy job. I was like, oh, chill, I'll be at a clothing store, love that for me. I'll get fun discounts, I'll talk to people all day, amazing. Like, no, it's hard, it's a workout. I leave every single day with all of my rings closed down to the T. I burn 500 calories. I walk 10k steps minimum if it's a short shift. Yeah, I talked to them and I was like, I cannot do this many hours, like it's just too much, and this is not my goal, this is not what I want to build. And I'm starting to change my mindset on how I invest my time, and investing my time at Macy's is not gonna give me back what I'm looking for. So there is that for that. I started my marketing agency. I'm onboarding 2 clients this month. I'm getting inquiries. I'm getting people asking about it. So like, things are moving, and I did the numbers, and I think if I get certain amount of clients, which is attainable, I can make the same as to what I was making at corporate. So if God is opening the doors for me to go this way, that's what I'm gonna do. That's what I'm gonna obey. It's always that I always wanted it to do, and if he puts those dreams and desires inside of my heart, I know it's because he's gonna fulfill them, and he's not gonna let me fail. I could have failed so many times. When I moved to North Carolina on my own, when I moved to Orlando for the first time, when I moved to the States. Like, you guys have no idea how crazy the story was. So if it hasn't happened, it's not gonna happen. If he had got my back so many times, he gonna do it again, just like the song. So there is that. I need to get a coffee. Excited things coming. So subscribe.
I don't do that. I'm reassuring you that it's a tasty one.
Okay, Queenie Pops, don't ask me how many times I've changed. The only thing I know is that it's really hot outside. I have to go to work to Macy's at 4:30. It's already 3 p.m. I'm gonna be doing some work here in my house. That's my man's. He's making me lunch. He's making a stunning Greek chicken sandwich, and I'm very excited about it. I cannot get over my hair. I'm gonna work until 9:30 today. So it's a long ass day. I was in a meeting with a company to do a brand partnership for Instagram, and it was pretty fun. I'm excited to do it. Usually I don't go to meetings when I have collabs, so it's pretty cool to actually like talk to the people. It's very different because like it feels real, and like I feel that I like connected with them, so hopefully I can do more work with them. I'm gonna wear this bodysuit for work with these gray trousers. The bodysuit is from Classy Network. They have gray bodysuits. It comes with like a padded support system, and I hope I can find some YouTube videos talking about the new Taylor Swift album, because I don't know about y'all, but it didn't hit for me. Out of the 30 something songs, I only like 2, maybe 3. I like Clarabelle, I like The Black Dog, I like So High School. I really like So High School. I think that I need to re-listen to the whole album again, maybe while I'm at work, because I don't know, they all kind of sounded the same. I love Taylor, but I've been listening to her for so long that I feel that like lately the albums are not hitting. Like, I know Folklore and Evermore were huge, and to be honest, I didn't get the hype. Maybe it's just not my type of music, I don't know. I'm a little disappointed because I was very excited. The visuals for the entire album aesthetic, I love it. I thought it was gonna be like an indie type of like, I don't know, it was giving like experimental 90s vibe, and I only got that with So High School. Like, I wish it would have leaned more into that. I don't know, I was expecting something very different. I was thinking like maybe alternative indie type of vibes, but it just sounds like Folklore basically, and I think people like that, so maybe that's why she's going for that. But it's not for me, which is okay. I'm just one person. So I'll see if other people on the internet agrees with me. Oh, the other song that I really like, the one about Kim Kardashian. So let's see. What's the beef about? Because I was unaware of this. Oh, this is so loud. Look, he's very proud. Church, and now I want to try with y'all this coffee that I just got. It's a mocha, which is basically espresso and chocolate. It was $10, and this is why I make my coffee at home, but I think it's worth it. I got it at a Belgium chocolate factory. Belgium has a really good quality one. I got it with almond milk. It smells really good. Let's see. This is legit. It tastes like a chocolate bar, and I need a coffee. Cause honestly, like, the vibes are just to sleep all day. I'm listening to a new album by Ethan Nathaniel. I love his music. It's pretty chill. I have work at 4:30. So if you wonder why I'm so chill, it's cause like the vibes are putting me to sleep. I'm not high. And also church today was so good. I released so much tension that I had, so much worry, so much fear. So I'm feeling light as a feather, as Miss Sabrina Carpenter will say. Gotta love her. I wish I could make this last forever. Coffee, because instead of taking naps, I need this coffee. And look at my cute little sweater. It's from Hollister. I'm making a Greek chicken salad, just chicken, feta, greens, olives, black olives. These are the only ones I like. I'm also making a croissant and sweet potato fries. Look at how beautiful.
Love these sausages for more $11 and broccoli. Yeah, they're wooden and you're gonna fill up, so I feel like I'm hunched over filling it up.
Okay, girly pops, I'm making the coffee and I want to show you how I make it because it's really good. This is a Fruity Pebbles coffee. Add it on this thingy one. Put it in. Look at how cute. Has all smiley faces and then boom, sad. That's me. A little bit of hot chocolate, just a tiny little bit of milk. Now we just froth it out and that's it. It's amazing. Taste test. ¿Quieres probar de mi café? ¿Quieres hacerlo on camera? On camera. Approved by my mens. A little bit of cinnamon. I got it gifted by Vitals Protein back in fall. They gave me this huge package with like fall stuff basically because it was a ton of things, and the cinnamon powder from them, so good. You can taste the quality, and cinnamon is supposed to be good for you. So free tip of the day. Oh my goodness, this lighting is terrible. I look like an egg and it's okay. I did groceries, I went to work. I wanted to take you all with me, but I've been so tired today because I had to wake up super early to go to the store. I took a nice shower. Look at my bathrobe. It's from Victoria's Secret. I need to wash the dishes because it is overflowing with dishes now. So I want to do that, but also I went to this Latin supermarket. It's called Bravo and it's so good. Look what I found. This is the shit. And if you're Venezuelan, like, you will know. I also got hot chocolate. It's called Corona, like the beer. And then I also got this. Tubes is the American version of Flips. This is the best cereal. It's a cereal, as you can see, and usually one box is like $10, and I got all of these random nuggets of thingies for 20, so it was a pretty good deal. Venezuelan stuff is really expensive in the States just because it is imported, you know, duh. And Venezuela is not in a good place, so I don't even know where they make this stuff anymore. Pretty sure they make it in Miami. Oh shoot, they actually make it in Dominican Republic. There is no businesses in Venezuela anymore, I don't think. The tubes are made. Oh, this is made in Colombia as well. I'm shook. So I guess they'll move to Colombia, just like my mother. Anyways, I'm gonna make some healthy hot dogs because I've been craving hot dogs for a while. These are the sausages. This is the brioche hot dog bun. So this is the mayo that I use, and this is the ketchup that I like. This one is sweetened with honey. So that's my hot dogs. Well, hi! It's a couple days later. This is pretty much it for the vlog. I'm recording again starting today. Today's Thursday. So we have a full week of vlog. I have a good week coming up. I'm going to Miami. I have like a fun couple events going on. So definitely subscribe if you want to see those. And give it a like if you like these vlogs. And comment if there is any other kind of vlogs that you would like to see, or just videos overall. I'll be more active, I promise. And you can also follow me on Instagram right here to see more of me, BTS, outfits, all of that fun stuff. Chispita, do you have any other last words for the public? Any pequeña? Okay. So she says, have a good day and thank you for watching.